This Coldwell Banker Lake Oconee Realty / Lake Country property video is presented by Stacy Hutchinson. New construction ranch style, 3 or 4 bedroom home with 3.5 baths. This popular Georgian plan is gracious one-level living. Very open floor plan with nice cabinets, huge kitchen island, granite counters, breakfast area and separate dining area with coffered ceiling. Vaulted great room with fireplace. Master bedroom with tray ceiling. Master bath with separate shower and tub, dual sinks, large walk-in closet. The second bedroom has an ensuite bath and bedroom 3 shares a Jack/Jill bath with a study, or 4th bedroom. Large pantry, blinds throughout, covered front and back porches and a 2-car garage. Irrigation system. Quiet neighborhood, west/street lights. Low HOA fees. And close to everything the Lake Oconee area has to offer. A quick sale means buyer may be able to make some decorator selections. Seller may pay some closing costs with preferred lender Kelly Dover, Cross Country Mortgage 678-283-1200 for more information.